Hello, Can Do Guy here again. We again went to Harbor Freight today and we picked up this Roadshock LED. It's a 22-inch combo spot floodlight light bar. It has 3,800 lumens. The beam at a distance of 1,210 feet. It's good IP67. Submersible. Let's turn it around. "22-inch combo spot floodlight. Universal applications for cars, trucks, ATVs, boats, and tractors, and UTVs." Let's see, it has high strength UV treated polycarbonate lens, 37-inch cable with DT plug included, anti-vibration mounting, waterproof enclosures, ultimate reliability, high efficiency OSRAN lens, LEDs, light with less power, oversized heat sinks allows LEDs to run cooler. Oops, sorry about that. Combo beam pattern. It shows it there. The light bar wiring kit. The kit is sold separately. Specifications are lumens 3,800, beam distance of 1,210 feet, 1,210 feet. Color temperatures is 6250K. Volts is 12 and 24. Wattage is 72. And it's off-road use only. And it's made in China. There is the way it should be supposed to be with the mounting, possible mounting. Let's get it out of the box. These are the mounting ends. By the way, this Roadshock LED is sold by Harbor Freight. It has some pretty good weight to it. Here is the cord. The booklet, owner's manual. I'm not going to read all through that for you. You can stop and look at it yourself if you want to stop the video. It also has troubleshooting problems like limited 90-day warranty. It also comes with the plug with the opened end positive and negative wire. This is a 22-inch LED light bar. The other end of the plug. This thing, it's 22-inch spot flood combo LE. The price is $74.99 plus tax. With tax included was $82.19. Sold by Harbor Freight. This is just an unboxing. We'll probably come back and show some installation on my UTV, a 2009 RZR. Okay, that's the unboxing. So give me a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.